and I think I got one. Yeah, and I think I got one. Yeah, yeah, I got one. And I think I got one.
Yo, G.
Hello, darling.
You alright?
I think so. Are you alright?
Finished work in a bit, and I'm looking forward to it.
What's the plan tonight?
We go home, have some dinner, then I'm going to work out, mate. I'm going to pump some iron.
What workout you going to do, my G?
I do V sit-ups. I do 25 minutes skipping. I take George over the field and we do the monkey bars, but on the trees.
Nice.
On the tree branches, because you're not allowed in the park. And that is as a datey boy workout.
A datey boy workout. How much would you sell that for to people?
What, a datey boy workout?
Yeah.
Free.
For free? You're
Free.
You're a generous guy.
I wouldn't make people buy my knowledge to be fit.
Well, that's very respectful, I guess.
It'd be a pleasure, really. It'd be a pleasure to get all the fatties nice and well trimmed.
They're not turkeys, mate.
Did you like the way that I phrased your pictures? You know, I was saying that your pictures made you look like the alpha male, and that Mark should find you intimidating.
Yeah.
Literally, just like the night before, so the same night that I seen those photos, because I think they were in the evening. Yeah. I was watching like a monkey documentary.
Yeah.
Or ape, like apes.
Yeah, man, it's the same thing. Isn't it?
Yeah, and like the kid apes were, teenager kind of apes were beating the old alpha male up to take his place.
Yeah.
It just made me think of you.
I'm glad you thought of me in those.
Seeing those photos, I was picturing you beating Mark up with a stick, banging your chest.
Do you think, fucking hell, do you think that's a thing for humans? Like, do you think, like, it's all about power, Is it important? I think it is, man. I think, like...
Of course it is.
You know when you go to work, obviously you're at work on your own now, right? But when you're at work, the boss is the boss, right? And everyone, whether they admit it or not, tiptoes around the boss,
Well, you say that, but I like to stand my ground a bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you an example.
Go on then.
They didn't like me parking at the front, and they wanted me to park all the way down the end of the car park.
Right.
I thought, I'm not going to fucking park all the way down the other end.
Right.
I'm going to park out the front. I'm the first one in. I'm going to park out the front.
Yeah.
And kept going on. He gave me like a warning, and then he gave me like a disciplinary thing.
What, for parking?
For parking out the front. So I thought, fuck it. I'm gonna ride my bike.
Yeah.
So I rode my bike in. I parked out the front.
Yeah.
He said, why are you riding your bike in? I said, because I don't want to park down the end.
And that's...
it literally is like a 10-minute walk from the end of the car park.
Yeah.
Not a 10-minute, like a 10-second walk. But when it's pissing down with rain, you don't really want to do that, do you?
No, man.
You just want you come to work, park out the front, unlock the door, go in.
Do you think, like...
Yeah, well... I've been parking out the front ever since, and he's not said nothing since.
Does he
so
leave
I
you
think I
to it?
won that one.
What's that?
Yeah, he hasn't said nothing since, so I guess I've won.
Yes, you've won. Tom Date wins the power trip. Nice one.
Yeah.
It's one big game, innit? Everyone does it. Even in the friendship group, you know it happens. People start pumping their chest, pouring their pints, you know?
Like Matt in Benidorm.
Yeah.
He pumped his chest at you that night, didn't he?
Wow.
But you were the quiet ape.
I don't...
You let him be.
Do me a favour.
But it cost him. It cost him. And I'm following.
You're an arsehole, aren't you?
And guess what? You followed him back, and you unfollowed me instead, you evil bastard.
Mate, you don't know what you're talking about, and that's what's funny. It's just one big joke to you. One big game.
Oh, come on. Don't give me those tears. Oh,
I'm not...
it's just one big joke.
I'm not giving you tears. This is real talk. If you're gonna...
You are.
No, I'm not. If you're gonna bring something up like that, you need to know the facts, and you don't know the facts.
Well, it was all a little out of hand. Let's just leave it as that. Uncalled for.
Which part?
None of it needed to happen, did it?
No, but it did. Like, if we want to talk about that holiday, like you asking for money from everyone because you've blown all your money in a certain theatre, shall we say?
Well, actually, I wanted to get my own money, but no one would give me the key.
What if we just never found you again?
Well, you were all willing to let me die alone.
That's not true.
Well,
Mate, we had to come in and
when
get you. That was a rescue party. It was like, Will was like, where's he gone? I was like, oh, he's gone into the strip club. I said, well, we can't leave him. We were getting ready to move on to the next, to the Irish bar. And then it was like, dude, we can't leave him. We've got to go and get him. We went in, mate, and they were playing, we don't know who your friend is. We're like, he's literally just come in. He's the one with the white t-shirt, white socks, black trainers, black shorts and the bowl hat. He's got a bit of a bounce. He's just come in with one of your blonde girls. And they were like, no, buy a drink. We bought a drink, and then of course you come out with the biggest smile on your face. And we're like, that's our friend.
Come on.
No, we're like, that's our friend. And then they're like, oh, yeah, he came in. Anyway, we got you out, we're ready to move on. You're like, my friends, I need some money, my boys. Give me some more money, I've got to go back in there. I think I'm in love.
Well, look, what can I say?
Don't know, did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was alright.
What's the best thing about a lad's holiday for you?
Just being with friends.
Yeah, man. Freedom, innit? Freedom and friendship.
You know, the whole strip thing. I'm not really that interested. But when they get you in, it's hard to get out. You know.
Yeah, man, it's true.
That's all it was. Because what they do, they trick you. That they. And you fall for it every time. You know all they want is your money.
Yeah.
But you let them talk to you. They listen you up. And next thing you know, you can't get away. It happened to me in Belfast as well. Never do it sober. You relax more, don't you, when you drink?
Yeah, no, I get you, but you still got to be tough. You got to be aware, man, of what's going down.
Well, look, I'm not like the others. One drink is more than enough for me to last the whole night.
Yeah, you've done that before as well.
And I can't keep up with their drinking. They drink it like it's water. But I can't do it because it makes me sick. But I feel bad about not being a. You know, it's not like peer pressure, but
it is,
we
man.
don't want
It's
to
the
fall
social
behind.
pressure. It's the social pressure, mate. I've got videos of you spewing at pre-drinks. Like we're pre-drinking, and then you're like, I'll never forget it. You come up to me and you're like, my friend, I feel like I need to be sick. Should I be sick here, or should I wait till we get to the pubs and clubs?
do you remember? Do you remember when we went to Matt's party? You know, like the wedding one.
Yeah.
You remember when we got the lift home with Marty?
The next day.
Remember we stopped outside. Stopped outside Tesco.
Yeah.
Biscuit gets out and be sick.
Yeah.
And then watching him be sick makes me want to be sick. You remember? And remember it just came out all red.
Yeah.
Blood.
That's the signs of a very strong diet and low intake of alcohol. We've had some good times, haven't we? It was.
Yeah, I always enjoy it. You know what? It's really weird because I haven't. I don't know. I haven't had a headache for ages.
Yeah.
I normally have them all the time.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering whether it's like stress or something. I
Could be.
don't know.
I think the problem with everyone and anyone is when you get a symptom of something, it all comes down to how you take it. You know, if you overstress it and overthink it, you can convince yourself you've got Ebola. But if you just try and keep a level head and calm. I'm saying this because I think you're one of those people, mate. You know, when you've got an ache and a pain, it's like, oh shit, you've got an ache and a pain. You know.
Did I
You told me about your back.
tell you about my throat?
Oh, and your throat as well.
My back. Well, I've been taking codeine, haven't I?
Mm-hmm.
I've been taking. It's like Codamol or something.
Yeah.
But it's like quite strong. But I tell you, the last time I had a headache was maybe 2 months ago.
Right. And what are you saying? The codeine's helped?
It's helped, yeah. I haven't been taking it daily or anything like that, but
No.
the last time I had it,
Do you know what you need to
about
try
2
to
months
do, man?
ago.
I really believe in this. Try to take nothing. Try and let your body sort itself out. Strengthen your immune system. Strengthen
I
your
tried that.
ability. You pop pills though like there's no tomorrow. You take paracetamols and all sorts, don't you?
Yeah, but
Mate, I never
I
take
think
them.
you
I don't want to take
quite
them.
understand the pain that I have on my
On your body.
very strong.
Do you do yoga? No. Would you like to do yoga?
No, I don't.
Would you like to do yoga? No.
You know, when we were like younger at school and all that,
Yeah.
I know I was never really that good, but I did used to like doing sports.
Yeah.
But
Bro, you can't preach about
after
something
college,
that was 10 years ago.
all sort of stopped. Yeah, that was it. It was actually around this time that we were doing our GCSEs, I think.
Yeah, man. We started them in March. Finished in... I think I finished mine in June? May? The last one was maybe May.
I honestly, I can't remember the exact dates.
Shows how important they are, though, doesn't it? Like, that stress
Well,
of getting GCSE.
I haven't needed them. Well, apart from the getting to college.
Yeah.
Other than that, they've not really come in much use.
No.
I can't even remember how to do the math stuff now.
No, man, and that's
I
true.
revised so hard to make sure that I passed.
Yeah. Do you not think, though, you've served
Oh,
your
with everything.
purpose? You've done it.
I revised so hard.
Yeah.
None
But it
of
says a
this-
lot, though. I think you're in the system, though, man. You're like, you've passed in terms of like society and government. You've passed because you've got a job.
Thank you.
That's what it's about, you know.
Well, don't you work at a pub or something? Or you just posting that for fun?
Hotel, restaurant. Yeah, but I was furloughed, so you know. But yeah, I do. That's where I was. Yeah, I started there. Bit of extra cash, you know. But that's it. Like the stress on the GCSEs is massive, but they're not actually that important. You know. Then you go to college. The stress of passing and doing well at college is there. Then you go to university, and then what? And then you get a job, and then you work for 50 years, pay taxes, everything else, and then guess what you get to do after that, mate?
Get a big student loan as well.
Oh yeah, you get student loan, so you're in debt to that as well. You have to pay back that needy thing. It's like a moaning myrtle, isn't it? That one.
Do you regret all that now?
I don't regret it, but I just look at it and I just think, what on earth is this? Because at the end of it, mate, you're free to do what you want. You're too old and you die.
You don't have to pay it back though, do you? You have to earn like 26 grand or something, don't you?
20 grand. They come chasing. They want to know. They want to know. You know? They want to know. I pay back. I had an agreement to pay back £3 a month, but it hasn't gone through because I haven't given them my bank details. The last time I heard from them was nearly 2 years ago. Yeah.
Just wrote you off then, haven't they?